Hi guys, it's Mimi and we're back today for another layout of the day, and this one is from the Vintage Blooms collection. We're gonna have a lot from the Vintage Blooms collection and the Under the Stars collection just because I kind of already did all of my pink, purple, and drafts Oh My set. But I do need some more for my wall. If you haven't seen my wall, it's on my TikTok, so definitely go check it out. I think it's awesome. But yeah, so we're gonna kind of be focusing on those two albums, and I will be creating a new album for the month of April, so just stay tuned for that, and I'll be sharing what that looks like. But yeah, let's get started on this page. I like to first start off by putting my photo up to see what all needs cut out. I think I will cut out that flower, so we're not skipping on every single layout, because the last two layouts I kind of just cut out very minimal stuff. And that's kind of what I love about these, though, is that you can make it as easy or as difficult as you want. I've also been going in to add on some more little minor embellishments like washi tape, or I don't really have anything that kind of fits in from my childhood, but with me and Zach's for the Under the Star album, I have a movie ticket that I've been waiting to kind of use in some of this, so I'll probably add that to one of the layouts coming soon. But yeah, I just think it's kind of fun. This page, or this photo, I already had on something. I don't really know why, but I ripped it off, and we're gonna just add more tape to it. And usually I like to put the tape down on the actual layout itself and not the photo, because it's just easier to line up that way. But because of the tape and that is already down there, we're just gonna go ahead and pop it on like this. So I actually didn't really need to cut out that flower. But since I did, we'll sneak it under there. And this is the layout for the day. Isn't this so cute? That's me and Jessie as babies. Little teeny tiny Mimi and Jessie. So cute. But yeah, if you want to add this layout to your own scrapbook album, you can get it at the link in the description. It's mimileemade.com, and it's easy to print out. I have a whole tutorial on how to print these printable scrapbook pages, and if you use them, I'd love if you would tag me in your creation. Send it to me via email, and I will also give you 20% off coupon to the shop. And by the way, if you want, you can try these for free. You can get a free set of 3, your pick, so that you can try printable scrapbooks for free, and if you love them, you can always go back and get more for 20% off. So like I said, the link is into my description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye!